We are glad to welcome you on a Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can download and install the dedicated phone app for this ieGeek ZS-GQ2 Security Camera. So, on an iPhone or on an iOS device in general, you'll need to find and launch the App Store. Then inside the App Store, look for the ieGeek Cam. Here is the app. Now simply get it installed. On an Android, the procedure is somewhat the same. Instead of Google App Store, or Google Play Store, instead of App Store, you will need to launch the Google Play Store. Then look for the pretty much the same specific app, that is ieGeek Camera app. And here it is also. So one app on an iOS phone, on an iPhone is installed. Here you can start, sign into your account or create one if you didn't have it, of course. But that's the story, that's the task for another video. So if you want to get some help with creating a Google account, we invite you to watch the next video. Anyway, that'll be it for this video, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention and time, and bye bye.